22 million citizens living in 5 states of the region. I am Alex Obodo. This is the Eastern Eye.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them blow
for me and you. And I say to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky.
I also on the faces
of people going by.
I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do?
Yeah.
They really say,
I love you. I hear babies cry.
I watch them grow.
They'll learn much more.
What you say?
Than I'll ever know.
And I say to myself,
what a wonderful world. Oh, and I say to myself, what a wonderful world. This is a man's world. It's a man's world. Yeah. But it will be nothing, nothing, yeah, without a woman on girl. Yeah. Oh. Man made the cars to take us over the road. Yeah.
Sing it, bro.
Man made the train, hi, to carry the heavy load. Man make the electric lights to take us out of the dark, yes. Man make the boat of the water, hey, like the one made the earth. It's a man's world, but it would be nothing, without a woman, oh girl. Man, yeah, oh, yes, yeah. You know what man makes money? It's for us to live with it, y'all. Walk over the home, y'all. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's a man's world, but it will be nothing without a woman. Oh God.
It's rap music.
Yeah.
Sorry, go on. Have you switched?
Come on.
Go.
I just want you close, where you can stay forever. You can be sure that it will only get better.
you spoke my name, I knew everything had changed. Because of you, I found my life will be complete. Oh, baby, I need you for the rest of my life, girl. I need you to make everything right, girl. I love you, and I'll never deny that I need you. Nothing matters but you, my love, and only God above will be the one to know exactly how I feel.
What you say, bro?
I could die in your arms right now, knowing that you somehow could take my heart and keep it deep inside your heart. Oh, baby, for the rest of my life, girl, I need you to make everything right, girl. I love you, and I'll never deny that I need you.
One time.
Oh, baby, for the rest of my life, girl, I really love you, baby. I'll never deny that I need you. I really love you, baby. And don't never deny that I need you. Oh, baby, I need you.
It's Ref Music tonight. Speak out, bro. Let him hear it. It's Jesus for tonight. Cheer. What you say, what you say.
Square this I go on the front line. Now if any is a money punchline. MPA my kono by yem long life. They will live with it, they will make just go worldwide. All my men they be the ball life. Street legacy come Machiavelli talk life. Every Bible needs in every the tall life. My koyan and your person they didn't lead the long night. Yeah, flat tire and fake a G4. Now I forgot something I can tell you so I live for. But not the where I wanna see them catch it for. I didn't think we were check where the yemo check come go. From Sulu, shoot your eyes, I got what go get. The diamond on my cat, I got walk off your girl. Fakaka don't mana from my road in Kugefe. I know the more women, boy, I know they compete. My kitchen, my party hustle on feet. But now I know that I'm not seeing all these ladies waiting on me. When I walk, is it what's that it don't be? What's that it don't be? Just go amount to heat where I go, they conceive. Send down my mom market just to put her on fleek. And those on it before I say everything con beef. I didn't see I and I know man. My cockabula won't am and boom man. My no it I will never got a one on man. See everybody man I is on battle. This life what you don't long for. Before you buy one them I love what you sign up for. And it should be about be choice on your option. To that then it just to phone the function. On the same water green. But I cannot forget about the days we prayed. I said if I'm not quite on my boys brigade. Welcome more prepaid. Come booty give you get. Come walk up to you day. Gonna cover my prey. So be covered by faith. Come put in my crate. Can't no dinner my plate. Gonna leave it to you day. Not take a head of state. Not see what? Now chick I head of stick, cause I came a long way. Been the fucking lonely. Everyone boys that don't play, run up, and a broad day. Man on the go on it from Monday to Sunday. Man, I do listen to Buja number 1 day. Now, check out the milestone. Paid on my dues, can I watch it bank load. Feed them my dry bones, wasting my time for tick. Life you go die for my koyo, but I will leave and I walk all yeah. And if it's meant to be chineke, naga kopolia. I will come to be no son the boy, you got walk all yeah. Makoye kowaka, you waga humble yeah. Waga humble yeah. Say, Makori with the bay. In ego, so we give Makaji the bedi. Edge, you know what way I see Makaji Janata. If I want in me, if I want in me, chase over.
What you say?
Sheraton. One-stop restaurant for breakfast, continental, local, and intercontinental cuisines. Located at 7 Chime Avenue, New Haven, Enugu, Nigeria. Open Sheraton. Best food out of home. Sheraton. One-stop restaurant for breakfast, continental, local, and intercontinental cuisines. Located at 7 Chime Avenue, New Haven, Enugu, Nigeria. Open Sheraton. Best food out of home.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ref Music Records. This one is highly spiritual. Sing. He's a natural mystic blowing through the air. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. This could be the first trumpet, might as well be the last. Many more we have to suffer, many more we have to die. No tell, no lie. What you say, hey, things are not the way it used to be. I won't tell no lie. One and all got to face reality now. No one try to find the answers to all the questions they ask. Now I know it's impossible to go living through the past. No tell, no lie. What you say, hey, things are not the way it used to be. It's such a natural mystic, blowing to the air. Such a natural mystic, blowing through the air. Such a natural mystic, ratata, rolling to the air. Such a natural mystic, blowing through the air. What you say? You are listening tonight. Don't forget this Ref Music. Sing. Rich man's wealth is in the city. Oh. Destruction of the poor is his poverty. Oh, destruction of your soul is vanity. Hey, hey. Oh, do you hear? Sing. I wanna rule my destiny in Nigeria, Africa. I wanna rule my destiny. Sing on. Yeah, we go. Destiny. Mama, look from where you calling. Destiny. Mama, look from where you calling. I wanna rule my destiny. Hey, oh, help her, please. I wanna rule my destiny. Sing. It's Ref Music tonight. What you say? Sing. Come on now, you little boy. Say your prayers before you sleep. Little boy went on his knees and say, oh Lord, now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. And if I die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to keep. One time. What you say, ladies and gentlemen? Ayo. Sing. All right. We're jamming. Sing. I wanna jam it with you. We jamming. Hope you like jamming too. Sing. And the rules and the vibe, we can do it anyhow. I see you true. Everybody pay the price with a living sacrifice. Jamming to the jamming too. All right, we jamming. You think the jamming was the thing of the past? We jamming. We jamming right. Sing. Oh yeah. Oh holy Mount Zion. Oh holy Mount Zion. Just see that in Mount Zion. He rules all of creation. Yeah, we are. You don't know what's coming to you tonight. It's Ref Music now. Sing. Free the mountain, in the foreign country, trying to send a message to his people back in the ghetto. He had a home one time, love of a girl, but he left all that behind. Oh yeah, I can hear him clearly as he whispers in the air. His voice came out loud and clear. What you say now? All he asked for was a prayer, and as he turns to walk away, he said, "Ratata, ratata." Oh, the nation. What you say? If you're feeling the song, say hooray! Listen now, listen now, listen now. Sun went down the mountain, birds flew back in their hiding places. Sing, leaving him standing there like a telephone pole in the still of the night. You and I dreaming of Romeo and Juliet. What you say? All he dreams about is the freedom of the nation, where every man will be equal in the eyes of the Lord. As he closes his eye for the last time, say it again. Higher, higher, higher. Oh, the nation. Sing it all up. One, two, one. What you say, ladies and gentlemen? What you say, ladies and gentlemen? Are you feeling hydrated tonight? Oh, sing it now. 1, 2. Steer up, little darling, steer up. Come on, baby. Come on in, steer up. Little darling, steer up. What you say? Bring it on. It's been a long, long time since I've got you on my mind. Oh, so now you are here. I say it is so clear, so we can do with you, baby. Just you and me. Come on in, see it up. Little darling, see it up. One time, we gotta go. You know what you say? See it up. Little darling, see it up. One time, 2 times. What you say? Let's go. Don't forget you're hanging out tonight with Riff Music Records. Sing. Oh, oh, oh. One Lord, one heart. Sing. Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying. Hear the children crying. Saying give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will be alright. Oh, let's get together and feel alright. Oh. Let them all get ya all. Take 2 remarks. There is one question I'd really love to ask. Is there a place for the hopeless sinners who has hurt on my kind just to save his own belief? What about the war? What about the let's get together? the beginning, so shall it be in the end. All right, praise to the Lord, and I'll be all right. Oh, let's get together and feel all right. What you say? Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel all right. What you say? Don't forget it's Ref Music. If you have any problem tonight, I want you to tell you that not to worry. You go to check out, you go to go. That's all the vibe. Come and sing. Now, eyes drop it down. Sing. This is a little song I wrote, but mine wanna sing it note for note. Let me hear you sing. Sing. In this life you've got some troubles. When you worry you make it double what you do. Hear me sing. Sing, sing. But don't worry, be happy now. Sing. Don't worry, be happy now. One time. One time. Listen to the straight of it. What you say, ladies and gentlemen? Sing. I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you. What you say? Every day and every night we've been together. Yeah. The roof right over our head. We shall be shelter. On a single bed, we'll share the same roof. Top provided bread. What you say? That I'm feeling, yeah. Sing. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Ref Music.
Open Sheraton. One-stop restaurant for breakfast, continental, local, and intercontinental cuisines. Located at 7 Chime Avenue, New Haven, Enugu, Nigeria. Open Sheraton. Best food out of home.
Put on your dancing shoes. Put it. Give that the dancer. It's ref music.
Janana Bazambilu so shuganiza Mojuleka Ababansi Bafumbile Kogo Bazipare Dina Sobabini Basikon Siya Jabula Jabula Masibe Masibe happy, Silicon, Masibe happy, Masibe happy, Silicon, Masibe happy, Masibe happy, Silicon, Masibe happy, Masibe
What you say?
Masibe happy, Silicon, Masibe happy, Masibe happy, Silicon, Masibe happy.
What you say?
Ya les cuco se llama la tato y la babulo bonanero canto y la sobanica pica 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 y así ya les cuco se llama la tato y la babulo bonanero canto y la sobanica pica pica pica
Watch this, ladies and gentlemen, tonight is ref music. If you love our kind of time. Come on, sing.
In a home,
Are you ready tonight?
in a home,
You say what?
in a home,
You know,
in a home,
one time.
in a home. Nike Galalam, if you come back, I'm a Galalam. Why you missing Dolala? Why did Mama go up about Jimujala? Nick Galasigala, Yapo, Jolala, Nick is a back to Jolala. Which all about me? Oh, no, my mellow is Tawa. Challenge of Malo Machala. I'm a kiss, I'm a costa. Bullo. Shibira, if I look up, they must come a day. Who's a body little money? Yo. Wale Kutale. Wait, to the Galiga. Wala la mami. Wait, chola mami. Wale Kutale. Wait, to the Galiga. Wala la mami. Wait, chola mami. Palomena, cobarega signa. Se la sepe la pese se mola goña. Malotesa sa bola goña. Un bebé le machica canla. Palomena, cobarega signa. Se la sepe la pese se mola goña. Malotesa sa bola goña. Bebé le machica canla. Ay, si banda makwale. Si kamu sapendi makwawe. Chala bambale. Ay. wale luta, wale kuzale, wale kugala, wale kuzale. Wechora galega, wechora galega, wala la mami, wechora bami, swala bami, swala bami, swala bami, swala bami, swala bami, swala bami, swala.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not dancing, there's a problem tonight. And the rap music there for you. We gonna do something. Come on. Wood. Oh, no. Come on now.
Nena casmane adorosa, le dedi sholorona, ovale anda la jangurusa, ni moni jangotona.
What you say?
Nena casma adorosa, le dedi sholorona, ovale anda la jangurusa, ni moni jangotona. Senakazma e ancora le dedi yololo ne muri na dodo oga mamano. Senakazma e ancora le dedi yololo ne muri na dodo e asma jabu. Senakazma ancora le dedi yololo ovale andare jabuza ne muri na dodo ne muri na mani. Senakazma e ancora
What you say? Ladies and gentlemen, are you dancing? Come on, sing. High tension.
Came from a place where you don't say money no day, so you ask work all day. Came from a place where you don't say money no day, so you ask work all day. As I dey match up, you know if you see me, 'cause I dey chow. As I dey match up, you know if you see me, no put money for attention. As I dey match up, you know if you see me, 'cause I dey chow. As I dey match up, you know if you see me, no put money for attention.
What you say?
If Charlie talk, see, Charlie's overrated. Who no go, no. If Charlie they talk, they say Charlie's uneducated. My landlord say my rent is due. They won't give me quick notice. I've been putting in work if you notice. I told the blow to say, came from a place where you don't say money no day, so you just walk on. You was the word. Came on, we don't say money no day, so you As I dey, you know if you see me, 'cause I dey shout. As I dey watch you know if you see me, no put money for attention.
What you say?
Hey, yeah. Oh, see you feeling this, we can look at them now. Couldn't you suffer one like a figure side? I can get my fan leg coming out, yo. Now my young peas and my thousand. I see you feeling this, we can look at them now. Couldn't you suffer one like a figure side? I can get my fan leg coming out. Now my young peas and my thousand. Hey, I stand back, hey. I see you feeling this, we can look at them now. Couldn't you suffer one like a figure side? I can get my fan leg coming out. Now my young peas and my town. I see you feeling this, I can look at them now. Couldn't you suffer one like a figure side? I get my fan leg coming out. Now my young peas and my thousand. 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 Same time, shallow umfuli la masango ying yellow still like free way no. I am a lume kuku on saga so get in a same time, shallow umfuli la masango ying yellow still like free way no. I am a lume kuku. Anyway, 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 so anyway, so anyway, 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 so. Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, hey, yeah. Anyway, 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 yeah.
It's fresh music.
Sheraton. One-stop restaurant for breakfast, continental, local, and intercontinental cuisines. Located at 7 Chime Avenue, New Haven, Enugu, Nigeria. Open Sheraton. Best food out of home.
The biggest fish you don't show. Everywhere you don't joke. One time. Now listen up. Thank you. Ogwandike. Ima Odelu. Ogwandike. Ogwandike. Odelu. Water. Give me chance. Anọchikwa n'ụzọ. Ikwuchikwa m ụzọ na-aga m aja mụkwa gị gbuo. Ijele pụta mmanwụ ọkụ na ọgba ga-etelugodi. Ijele pụta mmanwụ ọkụ na ọgba ga-etelugodi. King is here, make everybody double. Ijele pụta mmanwụ ọkụ na ọgba ga-etelugodi. Anya pụrụ ugo na arafu ugo dada. Ijele pụta mmanwụ ọkụ na ọgba ga-etelugodi. King is here, make everybody prostrate yo. Ijele pụta mmanwụ ọkụ na ọgba ga-etelugodi. Fearless, heart wegu. Isi na ọma mba, ọ bụrụ ọgwụ na ọma nle. Fearless, lion heart. Isi na ọma mba, ọ bụrụ ọgwụ na ọma nle. Untouchable, unshakable. Ijele nwa, mmanwụ dị egwu. Ọkwụlụ ọka nụ, ọkwụlụ ọka. Ejeki nwamba, ọsalụgo ọkụ. Ijele pụta mmanwụ kwụ na ọgbọ ga-etelu ugodi. Ijele pụta mmanwụ kwụ na ọgbọ ga-etelu ugodi. King isi ya make everybody double o. Ijele pụta mmanwụ kwụ na ọgbọ ga-etelu ugodi. Anya furu ugo da, arafu ugo dada. Ijele pụta mmanwụ kwụ na ọgbọ ga-etelu ugodi. King isi ya make everybody prostrate yo. Ijele pụta mmanwụ. Okay, now let's go now. See. Ah, eh, ọgbọ ọgba dịgo tight yo. Ibubu ike je n'odogwu. Ah, eh, ọgbọ ọgba dịgo tight yo. Ibubu ike je aba. Ihe wete weme. Kekeke. Anya pụta ọgbọ. Kekeke. Listen now. Water. Fearless. Atụ egwu. Isi na ọma mba. Ọ bụrụ ọgwụ na ọma nle. Fearless. Lion heart. Isi na ọma mba. Ọ bụrụ ọgwụ na ọma nle. Untouchable. Unshakable. Ijele nwa. Mmanwụ dị mmụọ. Ọkwụrụ ọka nụ. Ọkwụrụ ọka. Ejeki nwamba. Ọsalụgo ọkụ. Ijele pụta mmanwụ ọkụ na ọgbọ ga-etelu ugodi. Ijele pụta mmanwụ ọkụ na ọgbọ ga-etelu ugodi. King isi ya make everybody double. Ijele pụta mmanwụ ọkụ na ọgbọ ga-etelu ugodi. Anya furu ugo da, arafu ugo dada. Ijele pụta mmanwụ ọkụ na ọgbọ ga-etelu ugodi. King isi ya make everybody prostrate yo. Ijele pụta mmanwụ ọkụ na ọgbọ ga-etelu ugodi. See now. Ah, eh, ọgbọ ọgba dịgo tight yo. Ibubu ike je ebo. Ihe wete weme. Ah, eh, ọgbọ ọgba dịgo tight yo. Kekeke. Anya pụta ọgbọ. Ah, eh, ọgbọ ọgba dịgo tight yo. Kekeke. Ibubu ike je ebo. Ihe wete weme. Ah, eh, ọgbọ ọgba dịgo tight yo. Anya pụta ọgbọ. Ibubu ike je aba mba. One time. Are you ready now? Okay, now are you ready to dance? One time. Are you ready now? Let's go now. One time. One time. One time. If you know, you know. If you don't know, now you know. One time. One time. Move to the beat. One time. Okay now, let's go now. Now you know. Now you know. If you know, you know. The biggie baller sing down. Now you know. Now you know. Fire button on it, see, our baller. How much is money? Balling. Premium or nothing. Now you know. Now you know. Fire button on it, see, ayagaya, igiligi, ayagaya, bombo, ayagaya, igiligi, ayagaya, bombo, ayagaya, igiligi, ayagaya, bombo, ayagaya, igiligi, yeah. Undefeated, undisputed, honorable, luxury or nothing. Money is talking, money is nothing. Blessings of blessing. Fire button on it, man. Babola, how much is money? Balling, premium or nothing. Now you know. Now you know. Fire button on it, man. See, ayagaya, igiligi, ayagaya, bombo, ayagaya, igiligi, ayagaya,
Ayagaya, igiligi, yeah. Water. Are you ready now? Water. Let's go now. Are you ready now? A one, a two. Okay now. See. Ayagaya, igiligi, ayagaya, mbombo, ayagaya, igiligi, ayagaya, mbombo, ayagaya, igiligi, ayagaya, mbombo, ayagaya, igiligi, yeah. Water. Water. I know you're happy in the house. Water. 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 Imagwa n'ude mba ọkwa ndị odogwu na-aga ije aye Water. Akụnwa afọ be anyị nnekwu mmanwụ anyị ji eje mba ego oyibo na-adị mkpa ọgaranya amakakwa mma na ikolobịa ịmakwa n'ude mba olo ọkwa eke emegbugo m ife ọkwa anya ka mgbochi ikpetili si na anyị ga-afụsi isi ya ego amaka na ikolobịa ịmakwa n'ude mba olo Water. Okay, now listen now. Abaka achọ mma ego oyibo na-adị ọtọ mma jidekwa ego ọtọ mma jidekwa ife ifulu ka mmanwụ na-ebo ya olo aka ọma jide ego ife ahụ ị na-adị ọbasi ka mụ na-asị nnekwu mmanwụ na-ebo ya ahe Okay, now let's go now. Onye na-eje nụ ka ije anyị abụọ nọ onye bọọsụ ebuli ya tupu ka ije ịma na ude na-atụ egwu onye na-eje nụ ololo onye bọọsụ ebuli ya tupu ka ije ịma na ude na-atụ egwu onye na-eje nụ anyị abụọ nọ onye bọọsụ ebuli ya tupu ka ije ịma na ude na-atụ egwu onye na-eje nụ ka ije ololo onye bọọsụ ebuli ya tupu ịma na ude na-atụ egwu I'm the fighter. Ta. Are you ready now? 1, 2, 3, go! I got the powers. I'm about to release my powers. I got the powers. I'm about to release my powers. Ay. Abito sheka, katusa. Debre la mande, salebos, seltelebos, habito seca, dabus, cabas, le pase fare, intaboski, bahosa, anumenu beti, I got the power, What you see? Citadel, Santu, Salutoria, Pandemic, Epidemic, Pandemonium, Catastrophe, Cataclysm. I'm a burning fire. Abito Sheka, Gandusa, Lebre la Mande, Palemos, Sendelebo, Abito Sheka, Lefus Babas, Lefase Fare, Indaboski, Bahose. Everywhere you are now, water. Let the question ku ike mati makoroga kikono. Let the question ku ike mati makoroga kiko. Hakiko mereme, o mere kogi state mama. O mere kogi state mama. Ebe mutoli kulo belong na yewu. One arusi, one of you aba meje monu. Water, see. Hanye jema, rona kogi o. Leba Babuta no buru kano pite madu ha balada Babuta no buru uye yunde madu no nibe Hanye ronu Achuku poke dake Hanye ronu The Eastern Eye seeks to review, analyze, and preview political, social, and economic developments within the Southeast, setting an agenda for the development of the Southeast zone, offering the potential for growth and better integration of the region and its over 22 million citizens living in 5 states of the region. I am Alex Obodo. This is the Eastern Eye. On the news tonight, Enugu to host Educators International Model United Nations Conference. On the national news, NANS demands transparency in student loan disbursement. In business, federal government suspends $300 helicopter landing levy. On the foreign scene, NATO dismisses Putin's nuclear war threats. Details of this and more coming on your way on the news tonight. And from Enugu, Southeast Nigeria to the rest of the world, welcome to the news. My name is Alex Obodo. Details shortly. The news starts here in Enugu, where the state government is preparing to host the inaugural Educators International Model United Nations Conference. The event, organized by the Enugu State Ministry of Education under the leadership of His Excellency Dr. Peter Mbah, has been organized to stimulate the United Nations General Assembly, and Nigerian students from across the country will participate as the international diplomatic delegates. Meanwhile, the conference, with the theme Development of Education in Developing Countries, aims to foster educational discourse, innovation, and collaborative workshops. During the week-long event, there will be a welcome reception, grand inauguration, and intense model UN plenary sessions, along with a meeting of Nigerian State Commissioners of Education. Meanwhile, in Abia State, the military high command has vowed to exert significant pressure on the proscribed independent indigenous people of Biafra following the killing of 5 soldiers at a checkpoint in Aba. The Director of Defense Media Operations, Major General Edward Buba, announced this intention in a statement issued in Abuja. According to him, the military aims to respond forcefully to this reprehensible act and ensure the complete defeat of the group. The incident occurred when terrorists affiliated with IPOB attacked troops from Operation Udoka, stationed at the Obikabia Junction checkpoint in Obingwa local government area, adjacent Aba Metropolis in Abia State. The attackers, traveling in the 3-tinted Prado Toyota SUV,